I guess everybody's gonna get teal. You too? After they have color, yeah. Inside the book. So put your borax solution in there. So once you have a color, add in your borax solution, okay, to your glue. So put this in there. Put this in there. Keep stirring. You have a lot of white on there.
I put this with the glue?
Yes. You have a lot of...
Do I mix?
No, that's your job. I'm just helping you get...
Mix.
Yeah, keep mixing. Keep mixing. See? Keep mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Mix.
Yes, mix it.
Mix. Put your solution in there.
Mix it.
It's stuck in it. Look at this.
That looks amazing. Mix it.
Oh my God, it's working.
Yes. Yes. Mix it. Mix it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You shall rise, my good.
Keep stirring.
This is so sticky. I know it's getting way sticky. I know it's getting too sticky.
Just mix it.